Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canvas using cardboard. First, gather your materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a strong adhesive like wood glue or Mod Podge, and a sharp craft knife or box cutter. Make sure your cardboard is clean and free of any bends or tears. Also, set up a flat, protected surface where you can work comfortably and safely. Now let's prepare the cardboard. Carefully measure and cut your cardboard to the exact dimensions you want for your canvas. You can make it any size or shape you like. After cutting, gently sand down any rough edges to achieve a smooth, professional look. Finally, apply a thin, even coat of gesso or a suitable primer to one side of the cardboard. This creates a perfect painting surface. It's crucial to let that first layer of gesso dry completely. This might take a few hours, so be patient. Once dry, you can apply a second thin coat of gesso if you want a more durable or smoother surface for your artwork. This extra layer helps prevent paint from soaking into the cardboard. If you plan to hang your canvas, now is a good time to attach a simple hanging mechanism to the back. Your homemade cardboard canvas is now ready for your artistic touch. You can use it for painting with acrylics, oils, or even mixed media projects. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and techniques on your new, affordable surface. It's a fantastic way to unleash your creativity without breaking the bank. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.